Okay, folks, we're still on example number 1 here. I'm sorry that last one cut me off, but I think we finished everything before it did. It's n equals negative 62. Okay? Now, wow. Okay. Now, C is interesting. C says, let me rewrite it. I'm glad we got some extra time here. Y divided by 1 over 6 is equal to negative 5. Now, before we go anywhere, how do I divide by fractions? Whenever I see something divided by a fraction, what do I do, Catherine? No? Come on, somebody who was in class this year. How do I divide by a fraction? How do I do that? Case?
Don't you flip it?
I flip the second one and I multiply. So y divided by 1/6 is the same thing as y times 6 equals negative 5. Whoa, now that's interesting. Maggie, do I like the way this is written?
No.
How should I write it?
Write it
As?
as 6y equals negative 5.
This division equation just flipped on us. How do I get rid of the 6 that's next to the y now, Elise? No.
I mean divide it.
I want to divide by what?
6.
Divide by 6 here and divide by 6 there. Christina, what do I have left on the left side? What remains over here?
Y.
Just y, because the 6 is canceled. And what do I get on the right side? You don't have to change this to a decimal. Leave it as a fraction. Just make sure it's reduced. Is negative 5/6 reduced?
Yes.
It is.
Wait, but why did we change it to multiplication?
Okay.
and divided it?
Why did we do this? Why did we do that, Paris?
Isn't it the same thing?
They are exactly the same thing. You have to remember the rule. Whenever I'm dividing by a fraction, I am multiplying by its reciprocal. So when it says y divided by 1/6, what it's really saying is y times 6. And I solve it that way. And we know how to do this, don't we? We did that for the last section. Okay? Great job there. Let's look at the next example.